What?
Second, bro, you do this in public? You can't tell me to walk outside?
What did he do? We
In
just
front of my family?
I'm gonna talk to you, okay?
But he did nothing. Y'all got the wrong person. We don't even have a black truck.
A black truck, bro?
We don't have a
Monday,
black truck. We just came to the mall. What did he say?
All of this.
But you know, I know. I record this. I'm taking it to court, bro.
Okay, but don't snap.
serious?
But what did he do?
No, you
gonna let me talk to you?
You lucky you got these cuffs on me. Take me
Babe,
to,
don't snap.
Take me to the
It's
front,
fine.
yo.
But what did he
Take me
do?
to the front now.
Can you tell us we just came with our family? We don't even have a black truck.
Yo, get off me. Don't take me.
Jamar, don't snap. Wait a second. Come here. Come record this. Record it. Follow them. Follow them. What did he do? What are you doing?
What
What are you doing?
Get these flames straight to me, nigga.
Jamar, what are you doing? Y'all fucking racist as fuck. We ain't here with our family.
Are you serious right now, dog?
What? No, y'all, this is so fucking
Get off me, bro,
embarrassing.
and get these cuffs
We
off
are with our family. I got my baby here, a newborn. Why do y'all have him?
And get these cuffs.
But what did he do? He didn't do anything.
I know.
Wrong, got my ass. We with our fucking kids. You don't do that. That is so. You know what's going on in the fucking world today. We with our fucking kids.
I'm going to jail. We
don't do nothing. We stay in the house. He didn't do nothing.
Yo, get off
Do you know how embarrassing that is?
Your man just said
You can't fucking.
He's still on me?
Might be the wrong one.
It is the wrong person. We told you. You asked him about a black truck, and we said y'all didn't even give him.
No.
Y'all didn't give him a chance to explain. You said, do you have a black truck? He doesn't. We don't even drive a black truck.
That nigga's arrest me while I'm eating?
With our fucking kids.
What my...
Okay, relax.
No.
You ask questions
I
first,
know
though.
but y'all fucked up.
But that's fucked up. You don't do that. We're with our kids, but you ask questions first. You didn't even give him a chance to ask a fucking question.
No.
You can't expect him not to be upset. You can't expect him. We with our fucking kids in the mall. That was so embarrassing.
Are you serious?
But you ask questions, I get it if you thought he fit the profile of somebody else. But ask him a question.
What's his
You
name?
didn't even ask the question.
Soft and calm. You're gonna see me again.
But you ask, you can't, but you don't do this. We're with our kids. You think he'll forget this? You think my son will forget this?
And I would like to
I'm gonna know you will take
Please,
him off me.
Jamar, let him take them off. Just let
Man
him take
came
them
to
off.
arrest me while I'm eating, no words?
And I would like to explain.
No, ain't no explaining.
Okay. You're free to go, and I would like
Yo,
to
just
explain to
get
you
these
what's going
fucking
on.
cuffs off me and don't talk to me, motherfucker.
Yes, sir.
Come on,
I
let's
got
go.
your name. What's
Let's
your
just
name?
go. We're
Sergeant
leaving.
Crawford.
All right, I'm gonna see your ass again, bitch.
It's all right. Just
Fuck wrong with
come
you,
on,
man?
let's go.
Arrest
We
me while I'm
leaving.
eating, no questions.
It's
Before
fine.
Don't move.
I would
Don't
like
move.
to explain to you what's going
Wait,
on.
I don't give a
You
fuck
can
what's going
explain to me.
on.
I wanna know.
Explain it before you put the cuffs on me.
Take him. Go ahead. Y'all go. Y'all go.
Bitch,
Explain to me what
fucked up,
happened.
dog.
This man,
I want to know.
we got a description of someone that was using stolen credit cards, okay?
Stolen
That
everything.
person
I got it. Let me listen.
is a black male with dreads and was wearing all black and was with a boy that was wearing red. Okay? I could show you the case. He's wearing all black.
So this is them right over here.
Come on, yo.
Black male with dreads.
Another black male with red
Boy
dreads.
with red.
But the thing is, y'all.
I sincerely apologize. It was a
I mean,
complete
y'all just that was so embarrassing.
If he was using
And then he
a
had-
Man,
stolen
you put me in
credit
handcuffs while I'm
card
taking a
and
bite
had
from my
stolen
son.
vehicle, then I wouldn't have talked to him about it. I would have just taken him into custody and detained him, okay?
Nah, bro.
I understand
You did
it's
that shit all
embarrassing.
Do you have a
I
card?
sincerely
You did that shit all
apologize.
wrong.
I
It's-
You did
sincerely
that shit all wrong.
apologize.
That was professional.
fine. It's
That was
alright.
nothing.
Fair
That was,
enough.
Do you have a
that was
card?
stereotyping, and that's how y'all do black
It was
motherfuckers,
definitely
dog.
stereotyping because things could have been handled in a different way. It
That's what
definitely
y'all do
is.
to us. That's why we fight for this shit now.
I understand.
Can I have a card
This
from
how we
somebody?
get treated in 2020. In 2020.